Around 10 in the morning, we received a call from the coordination center in Rome reporting a boat with problems, mechanical problems, and around 700 people on board.
Yeah, we are seeing 3 boats in the water, some people swimming in the water. Our first boat has just gone into the water and is on the way to reach the people.
So when we arrived, we couldn't see the boat that was already capsized. We only just see the people all around. There were several people in the water, some of them with life jackets, other ones without. Rescue boats all around, and the Irish and Italian vessels were taking care already of the operation.
This guy here, severe leg wound in 2 places.
We started recovering some of the people who were requiring medical assistance. 2 of them injured, 1 pregnant woman and another woman requiring immediate medical assistance. Absolutely all the people were under shock because of the circumstances.
طلعت مي الحمد لله انا بسبح حتى بدون فواشي بسبح لكن انا ما بسبح وشو بدي شيء فيه ولا شيء كل واحد
This tragedy is a clear indication that the resources to rescue people in the Mediterranean Sea are not enough. And this will continue to happen unless the resources are increased and reoriented towards a humanitarian intervention rather than a military one.